There are many different ways to create a new sequence. You can right-click on the project panel, and New Item, select Sequence. And another way, you can click on this New Item icon, and select Sequence. And the shortcut is Ctrl+N. As you can see, there are many different types of presets. But we don't need to use them. So we can create custom sequence preset. In my case, I'm going to select Digital SLR, 1080p, 1080p 25. Then go to Settings. If everything is OK, click on Save Preset. Let's call it 1080p 25 fps and click OK. Now we can see this custom preset. Also, we can make another preset for Instagram Square video. Again, click on Settings. Frame size 1080p by 1080p. I record my phone video in 30 fps. Now click on Save Preset. I must call it into Square. So this is the way you can make the sequence presets. And you don't need to make the sequence every time. So click on Ctrl+N. Select your sequence preset, and click OK. Double-click on the sequence to rename, then name the sequence. So that's all for the sequence preset. Let's move to the next one.